Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will in voice we had done the questions and commands and order. So statements was left. Is it? This year we hadn't revised statements. So today we will. Hello. Okay. I started with questions and then we did commands and statement was left out. So for statements, you have to remember certain rules. Mhm. In simple present, what is if you have a simple present sentence in the active voice, then how do you change it into passive? Subject plus is or am or are plus V3. So you know that in passive you always have to use V3 plus by plus object. Okay. Example. Ambesh. Ambesh, can you? Ambesh. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You change this in the passive voice according to the structure here.
And whom did you say?
Ambesh. Ambesh, I'm telling. Okay. Bhavya. Hello. Bhavya, can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello.
And can I answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, you change this in the passive voice according to this structure. What are the changes?
Pipes are
Yes. Okay. Yes. Pipes
pipes
Good morning,
are
ma'am.
are
repaired by a
repaired
plumber.
by a plumber.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So you have to remember that in active to passive we don't change the tense. Here also it is am are. The tense is present simple. So here also we are using the simple present tense only. So we don't change the tense in voice. And there is an interchange of object and subject that you remember. Interchange of subject and object. So here pipes. Okay, then come to continuous. Present continuous. Present continuous, the structure is subject plus is or am or are plus being plus V3 plus by plus object. So you have to remember this. In all the continuous tense you use being. All the continuous tense use being. So uh, the boys are playing football. The boys are playing football. Who will do this? Vijaya? Hello. Vijay Roy. Hello.
Yes.
Anuj Sharan.
Yes, ma'am.
May I
Vijay,
answer?
you
Football is being played by boys.
repeat your answer, Anuj.
Football is being played by boys.
Yes, football. You just have to use words according to the structure. So with football, you'll use is, then you have to use being, then V3 played by the boys. Okay. So for present continuous, for continuous you have to use being. This you have to remember. It's very important. In with any continuous tense you use being. Then present perfect. So if you remember these tense rules, you won't have any confusion, and they are very easy also. So present perfect
Yes.
is the structure subject plus has or have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. So in all the perfect tense you use been. This you have to remember. In all the continuous tense you use being, and in all the perfect tense you use be double e and being. This you have to remember. So uh, who will do this? Harsh Raj.
Ma'am, the
अच्छा निशु, चलो निशु आंसर करो. निशु. निशु.
Can I?
ma'am, can I?
Oh, can I? कौन बता? Nishu wanted to answer.
May I answer?
Okay, Pragya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
क्या हुआ?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the room has been cleaned by the maid.
Yes, very good, Pragya. Nishu, I gave you chance, but there was no response. Okay, next time. The room has. So with room, you are using the word has because it is singular. Then with all the perfect tense, you have to use been. This year. So been cleaned by the maid. Okay. Okay. So then for present perfect continuous, no passive. There are a few tenses for which you don't have any passive. So for present perfect continuous, you don't have passive. Then we come to a simple past. Fourth rule is the rule for simple past. For simple past, subject plus was word. V3 is common in all the passive voices. V3 plus by plus object. This is optional in every passive sentence. Sometimes you skip the object. If the object is not very important, किसने काम किया, किसने काम किया है वो अगर इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है तो हम ऑब्जेक्ट को स्किप भी करते हैं. ओके. So so who will do this?
May I?
Ma'am, the mango is eaten by.
Okay, Nishu. Repeat your answer.
Ma'am, a
हाँ,
mango
हाँ,
was
हाँ. A
eaten by him.
Yes, very good. A mango was, you have to use was because it is singular, and
has been
V3
eaten
of 8 is eaten, and he will become him. Yes, Nishu, your answer is correct. Okay, so a mango was eaten by him. Then we come to our next tense, that is past continuous. We come to our next tense, that is past continuous. If you had not written these tense in your class 9 tense rules, you can note it down from here. Okay, if you past continuous, what is the rule? Subject plus was word plus being. As I had told you earlier, in all the continuous tense you use being. What is the difference? In past continuous, you are using the past helping verbs was word, and in the present continuous, you use the present. So being is common. Continuous means being. These things you have to remember. Perfect means been. This is common. All the perfect been and all the continuous you have to use being. So was were plus being plus V3 plus by plus object. Okay. Who will do this? The girl is singing a song. Harshraj, Harshraj,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
उसको
past
answer दो.
continuous. No.
हाँ?
Ma'am, the girl was singing a song.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Anuj, very good for reminding. I was singing past continuous. Very good. Okay. Harshraj, इसको बदलो
Yes, ma'am.
पैसिव में. स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है. Okay, Rishav has raised his hand. Very good, Rishav. Come on, do this. Rishav,
Yes, ma'am.
your hand.
Ma'am,
Himanshu, chalo Himanshu, you haven't answered today. Chalo, answer karo.
ma'am, song was sung or was being sung by the girl.
Yes, very good. A song. Song is singular, so you are using the verb was, and then continuous, so using the word being. And for the V3 of sing is sung by the girl. So you can see how easy it is. You just have to remember a few things. That is all. Always to use the past participle form, that you have to remember. With continuous, you have to use being, that you have to remember. With perfect, you have to use be and been, that you have to remember. Interchange of subject and object. Just a few things you have to remember. Then past perfect. For past perfect, what is the structure? Subject plus had plus been. As I told you earlier, in all the perfect you use been. Present perfect also you use been. And for past perfect also you use been. Plus V3 plus by plus object. He had okay, who will do this? Who will do this? Dheeraj. Okay, Dheeraj. Dheeraj Kumar Sharma.
Yes,
Dheeraj, Dheeraj, can
Ma'am,
you
the
tell
work
me?
had been completed.
And the work had been completed by him.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, the work.
Had completed by him.
Yes, the work here had. Then you have to use be. V3 is completed by him. Okay. The work had been completed by him. Okay. Past perfect. Then past perfect continuous, no passive. Past perfect continuous, no passive. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का भी कोई पैसिव नहीं होता. पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस आल्सो नो पैसिव. There are a few tense for you which you don't have any passive voice. Then we move on to our future tense, simple future. For simple future, what is the structure? For simple future, the structure is subject. In future tense, we use shall or will plus be. हाँ, तो फ्यूचर में BE यूज करना है. B plus V3 is common in all the passive voice, plus by plus object. Okay, example. Who will answer this? So in simple future, what will you use? Shall or will plus be. Future
may I?
tense we use. Okay, Aditya, you want to answer? Aditya?
Ma'am, a match will be played by them tomorrow.
Yes. A match. A match is our subject. Then will, then be. You just have to use words according to the structure. Then play V3 is played by. They will become them. They will become them. A match will be played by them tomorrow. A match will be played by them tomorrow. So in future tense, what do you use? Future tense, you use be. This you have to remember. That in future tense, you have to use be. V3 is common in all the passive voice. Then our next tense is future continuous, for which there is no passive. Future continuous, no passive. Okay. So you can note down all the rules in your copy. It will be easy for you to revise during the exam. In the first term, you will get MCQ questions. So MCQ you can get from grammar also. Only writing section will be excluded in the first term. Writing section will be excluded in the first term. You can get MCQ from reading, you can get MCQ from literature, you can get MCQ from grammar. So grammar also all the topics you have to revise. So, 90 minutes MCQ question. So you have to prepare. So for future continuous, there is no passive. Then we move to our next tense, future perfect. This is the sixth rule. Yes, sixth past perfect. This is the seventh rule that you have to remember. And then the eighth rule, future perfect continuous. No, future perfect, not continuous. For continuous, there is no passive. Subject plus shall will plus have So note down the rule for the future perfect. What is the rule for the future perfect? Subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. He will have completed the project by today. He will have completed the project by today. Okay. So who will do this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Anshu, you have already answered. Someone. Okay, Advait hasn't answered.
Ma'am, project will have been completed by them, by him.
Repeat your answer. Hello. Hello. Repeat your
Ma'am,
answer.
project will have been completed by him today.
Yes. The project is our subject. Will. After that, what you have to do? Someone's mic. Will then have been completed. Here you have to use by 2 times. By him, by today. So by 2 times, one for the time and one for the agent. One for time and one for the person who has done the work. So passive rules are clear to everyone. You want to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
पूछो क्या पूछना है? What do you want to ask? So we will just revise the rules. Simple present, you use is or am or are according to the subject. Then V3 is common. V3 is common in all the passives. So you are not changing the tense. Don't get confused between passive and direct, indirect. So don't change has, have to, had. So then present continuous. Continuous, all the continuous tense use being. So present continuous, what is the structure? subject plus is, am, are plus being. So boys are playing football will be changed as football is being played by the boys. Then just as in all the continuous tense you use being, in all the perfect tense you use been. So you don't have to change has, have to had. uh, so don't get confused with direct indirect. Has, have will remain has, have only you have to use this word been and v3. Mm. So the maid has cleaned the room has been cleaned. So this you have to remember. Sometimes students get confused and change the has to had. You don't have to change the has to had. That you do in direct indirect. Mm. Just use the word been and v3. Been and v3, that is clean. Then simple past was, were plus v3. All the rules are very logical. You just have to use the logic. Like simple present tense, what you are using? The present verbs is, am, are. So in simple past tense, what you are using? Was, were, because it is past. So all the rules are very logical. Subject plus was, were plus v3 plus by plus object. So he ate a mango. A mango was eaten. So you have to, this v2 will change to v3, was eaten by him. Then continuous tense, again you have to use being. Continuous means being. So and then it is past continuous, so you are using was or were. The girl was singing a song was being, then v3 sung. Then past perfect, had plus been. She had completed the work had been. Again, as I told you, perfect means been. You have to use. Okay. Past perfect continuous, no passive. सिंपल फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर के साथ यूज करना है बी, ये याद रखना है, फ्यूचर तो बी, और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट है तो बीन. ओके. So change the voice. Who will do this? Columbus.
America was discovered by Columbus.
Okay, yes, very good, Sugandh. America. So past tense, what you use, was or were?
Was.
Yes, yes. We'll do this.
Naughty boy was punished by the teacher.
Dinesh, you answer. Dinesh, can you hear me?
Can I?
Can I?
Okay.
Can I?
Answer.
The naughty boy was
Naughty boy was
punished by the teacher.
Some students don't give any. Ayush Ranjan, you answer. Ayush Ranjan. Ayush Ranjan. Ayush Ranjan is present. I can see your name, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर करो इसको. The teacher punished the naughty boy. You have to change it into passive voice.
The naughty boy was punished by teacher.
Yes, very good. The naughty boy was punished by the teacher. Okay. Then he is flying a paper kite. He is flying a paper kite. So ing is there. What will you use? Ing is there in the verb. What will you
Being.
use?
Is MR plus being.
Yes. Who will answer? I want someone who hasn't answered
Kite
today.
is being
May I?
flew by him.
Okay, Pragya.
A paper kite is being flown by him.
Yes. A paper kite. A paper kite is our subject. Then kite is singular is. Then ing is there in the verb. So being. Then what is the V3 of fly? Flown. Fly, flew, flown. To do the passive voice correctly, you have to know the V3 of all the verbs. A paper kite is being flown and he will change to him. Okay. So who will do
Ma'am,
this?
can I answer?
Okay, Aditya.
The room had been filled by
By them.
Okay. The rooms. Present perfect. This is present perfect. What do you use in present perfect? Has, have plus been. So rooms is plural. This you have to be careful. Use the verb according to the subject. Rooms is plural, so have. Then been is common
Have been,
profession.
ma'am.
Have been clean by them. Okay. Okay, how we'll do this?
Ma'am, can I?
Dheeraj, Dheeraj, Dheeraj
And the
Kumar.
Yes,
notebook
ma'am.
by him
इसका
tomorrow.
बताओ. He will cover his notebooks tomorrow. फ्यूचर में क्या यूज करते हैं? विल के साथ.
मैम बी
हाँ, बी यूज करते हैं. तो ये हमारा हो जाएगा सब्जेक्ट.
यस मैम
ये
हिज
सब्जेक्ट हो गया.
नोटबुक
उसके बाद
हिज नोटबुक विल बी कवर्ड
यस विल बी कवर्ड
कवर्ड
By tomorrow.
बाय. पहले और ही
हिम
बाय हिम.
Him
tomorrow.
Yes,
tomorrow.
by him tomorrow. So you need to practice it. Huh? His notebooks. So will and then with will, you use be. Means future, you use be, not with will. Always with future, in future tense you use be. Will be, then V3 common in everything. The farmer was plowing the field. इसको कौन करेगा? आयुष रंजन, चलो बताओ. The farmer was plowing the field.
The field was being plugged by the farmer.
Yes, plowed. Plowed मतलब खेत को जोतना. The field was, then ing is there in the verb, so use being. Then V3 of plow, plowed by the farmer. So those of you who had not written the notes of voice in class 9, you can note it down. If you have missed the
Time is
Right.
over.
yes, time is over. So if you have missed if you did not write the notes, you can write it. Maintain your copy with all the notes of all the topics. Okay. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
I will send the homework related to this voice.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye,
all.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Good day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Rishabh, you are so
Bye, ma'am.
restless. Huh? Okay. Chalo.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
I'm telling you again and again, maintain your copy. Very soon your school is going to reopen. 11 and 12 students are already coming to school.